Your smile says a lot about you. Can you trust it to just anyone? Dr. Bush has over 30 years of dental expertise and takes a personal touch with each patient by giving them the quality one-on-one they deserve. He and his staff are always current in the latest dental care and techniques and provide positive dentistry in a caring environment. They value patient input and encourage open communication and strive to never surprise patients by fully informing them about the treatment they need and are having done. Dr. Bush takes dentistry to the next level by providing total dental care. He believes healthy teeth are vital to your overall health, so his goal is to help you keep your teeth for a lifetime. He provides preventative, restorative, and cosmetic treatments so that you can have a healthy, beautiful smile. Dr. Bush and his staff are friendly, honest, and helpful, and they will take care of you, your family, and friends. Everyone is welcome. Call us today to schedule an appointment. You'll see Dr. Bush and his staff are here to care for you.